Welcome to the Neurodivergent Learning Studio by K&K Studios. Today I'm giving you a closer look at the Identifying Tens and Ones Place Value Intervention Kit. Each kit includes teacher support tools to help you do more than simply check whether an answer is correct. You'll receive a welcome guide, printing and preparation instructions, suggested ways to use the cards, and guidance for understanding what different student responses may reveal. The intervention notes and next step suggestions can help you identify possible misconceptions and decide what kind of support your student may need next. This kit includes 36 intervention cards, directions for use, and a separate answer key card built right into the deck, so there's no extra sheet of paper to keep track of. The cards are also color-coded, making it much easier to organize your materials and quickly return any mixed-up cards to the correct intervention kit. Each answer choice is intentionally designed. A student's response can give you valuable information about how they are thinking, what they understand, and where the misunderstanding may be happening. These are not just practice cards. They are intervention tools designed to help you understand your students' thinking and provide more targeted support. Thanks for watching. Follow the Neurodivergent Learning Studio for more number sense intervention tools from K&K Studios. We look forward to teaching.